approaches to various frameworks, showcasing the reformist and transformational approach. Applying John C. Maxwell's 21 irrefutable laws of leadership, Aquino exemplified the law of influence by leveraging his family's political legacy and promoting transparency and anti-corruption measures through his Daang Matuwid campaign. He adhered to the law of solid ground, building trust by pursuing high-profile corruption cases and maintaining personal integrity. His transformational leadership was evident in his efforts to inspire change, particularly in promoting good governance and peace initiatives, such as the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. However, his leadership also displayed elements of transactional leadership, focusing on managing governance operations and implementing structural reforms.
His leadership also prioritized economic stability and growth, implementing fiscal reforms and improving tax collection, which contributed to the Philippines achieving investment-grade status. Aquino's focus on social reforms was demonstrated through the passage of the Reproductive Health Act and the expansion of the Conditional Cash Transfer Program for peace to alleviate poverty.
Aquino's leadership resulted in tangible economic gains with improved credit ratings, increased foreign investment, and sustained GDP growth rates, laying the groundwork for a more prosperous future. The Reproductive Health Act and the expansion of the Conditional Cash Transfer Program demonstrated commitment to addressing poverty and improving social welfare. Overall, Benigno Aquino's third presidency leaves a mixed legacy. While his leadership brought about notable reforms and economic progress, it also faced shortcomings and criticism. However, his commitment to transparency, integrity, and good governance laid the groundwork for future leaders to build upon, emphasizing the importance of institutional reforms and accountability in Philippines politics. Aquino's presidency serves as a reminder of the ongoing challenges and opportunities in the pursuit of democratic governance and economic development in the Philippines.